Well friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. My name is Praveen Kumar and I'm IELTS trainer and also running my own IELTS channel, that is Toppers World. And today I am going to upload a video about an interesting cue card that I got from one of my students who appeared in IELTS speaking exam, and he sent me this cue card and I found it quite challenging one because it's something different type of cue card, little bit difficult. Describe a time when you took a risk that may have gone wrong but turned out well. Means you took a risk and nothing bad happened, the result was happy result, but chances were that it could go wrong or it could go in a negative way. So the points were, or here points are, when it was, it means when it happened with you, what type of risk you took, what could have gone wrong, and explain how it turned out well. All the points are in the past tense. The experience that took place with you was in the past, and the various things that you can talk over here or the examples can be there, like as for example, you invested money in some business and that could be risky. All the money that you invested may or might get wasted. Or you took risk in studies, you prepared some questions which you thought that could come in the exam, and others friends thought that it would not, and you studied only those questions or those topics, and they came in exam and the things became positive for you. Or you can talk about, if you are a farmer, you can talk about you grew any crop. First time you took risk, you grew some flowers. Nobody grow flowers in your area and you grew flowers. Or you grew any such kind of vegetable or crop which other people afraid from growing, but you took the risk and the result was bumper crop you got, and you got a lot of benefits. Any other situation can be like that. It was a cricket match and you are the captain of the team. You took the risk. You told your one of the tail ender batsmen, like who used to play at number 8 or 9, and you told him to open the batting, and you took the risk and he performed really very well and he scored fastest century in that match, hit big sixes and ultimately helped you to win the match. You can also talk about you bought a lottery. You spend nearly 5,000 rupees and you purchased 10 lottery tickets of 500 rupees each. So it was a risk of 5,000 rupees that you took, and ultimately one of the lottery won and you got 1 lakh rupees prize. So the risk turned well. So there are so many risks that we take in our life. So one of any example that I have just shared with you, you can talk. I'm also share a sample answer with you after this video, so you can also read that sample answer. Here I'm going to talk about one situation when I spent money on to buy a lottery ticket. So let's start with sample answer. Normally I don't like to take any kind of risk. I am a very safe type of person who love to live life safely, and I avoid any kind of adventure or risk, especially with money. However, few days ago I went to the market with my son, and there was a banner related to a lottery ticket, like you can talk over here, New Year bumper ticket, and the price was 500 rupees. And my son told me that let's buy this ticket and try our good luck. At that time, initially I was not ready to buy the ticket, because I thought that it would be a wastage of money. But he insisted and told me that, Papa, let's try our luck and buy the ticket this time. And he wanted that I should buy 10 tickets of 500 rupees each. It was an investment of 5,000 rupees. I gave a thought to it. Then I decided that let's try once and buy a lottery ticket. Not one lottery ticket, 10 lottery tickets. I spent 5,000 rupees and bought lottery tickets of different numbers, ending with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one with 0. Okay, so suppose I didn't get any prize, any big prize. Only I would get one prize in this, if last digit get matched with the ticket that won the prize, I would be only able to get only 500 rupees in return. But if 2, 3, 4 digits get matched, that could be a big advantage for me. Like I could be able to earn or win 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. So if the things would not be in my favor and something went wrong, then I only was able to get 500 in return, and all rest of the money like 4,500 rupees would be a waste. However, after 10 days, when the result was declared, I took the newspaper and saw the digits and tried to match with my tickets. I was very, very surprised to find that one number, last 3 digits, matched with my lottery ticket, one of my lottery ticket, that was 786, and the prize money was 50,000 rupees. I felt really very happy, and in that way the risk that I had taken resulted into a benefit of nearly 50,000 rupees. And I thanked my son. He was also very happy, and we were all happy, and we had a party after that. And that was the situation or conditions when I won a lottery ticket. The sample answer that you can read is this. It's about investment in a restaurant business. Thank you for watching this video.